Mama Penguin leads the way. Papa Penguin splish splash zoom. Papa Penguin glides across the room. Papa Penguin shows us how to swim. Papa Penguin watch and skim. Sister Penguin twirl and spin. Sister Penguin watch her grin. Sister Penguin dances in the snow. Sister Penguin, here we go. Brother Penguin hop hop slide. Brother Penguin's wild ride. Brother Penguin bouncing all around. Brother Penguin hits the ground. Baby Penguin tip tap peep. Baby Penguin learning how to leap. Baby Penguin wobbles as they try. Baby Penguin wants to fly. Let's go swimming, splash and play. Through the waters, hip hooray. Watch us diving, having fun, dancing beneath the Arctic sun. Diving deeper, swish, swish, swish. Swimming faster, catch that fish. Flippers moving quick and strong, singing our penguin song. Catch the fishy, sip and dash. Through the water, make a splash. Fill our bellies, tasty treat. What a special feast to eat. On the ice now, slip and slide. Everyone join the ride. Racing downhill, having fun till the setting of the sun. Together, safe and sound. All our family gathered round. Huddle close now, feeling warm. Safe from any storm. Time for bedtime, snuggle tight. Penguin family says good night. Sweet dreams coming, rest our heads in our cozy place.